Where will we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
Time to climb.
What do you want to play today, Kit?
I don't know. Let's look in the box.
Look, Kit. Climbing hats and backpacks. We can climb Swiss Cheese Mountain.
Are you sure you can do it? That's a big mountain.
Of course I can. I'm a big girl.
Okay then, to Swiss Cheese Mountain.
Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate set off on their big adventure. They walked through Butter Valley and over the Milky River until they reached what they were looking for.
Here it is, Swiss Cheese Mountain. I want to climb all the way to the top.
It's not too scary for you, is it, Kate?
No way. I'm not a baby.
Okay then, let's start climbing. Hands come first.
Feet come too.
Up, up, up.
Yodelay-hoo.
Kit and Kate climbed and climbed until they reached the plateau.
Wow, so beautiful.
Look, that cloud looks like a puppy. And there's a fish.
This is awesome. Let's slide on down and do it again.
Then Kate noticed another path that led even higher.
Hey, Kit, I want to climb all the way to the tippy top.
We can't. That part's only for big kitties. Look at the sign. You see, Kate, we're not big enough to go up higher.
I'm no baby. I can do it.
But it's not safe for kids. Let's go take the slide down and climb again. It'll be fun.
Okay. You go first, Kit.
Sure. Kate? Kate? Where did you go? Oh, no, Kate!
I don't care what Kit says. I can climb it. I'm no baby.
Kate, wait!
Hands come first. Feet come too. See, I can do it. I knew I was big enough. Okay, hands come. Hands come.
Kate, come down right now. It's not safe.
I can't. I'm stuck.
Oh, no. Now we're both stuck.
What do we do?
Then along came a mysterious stranger.
Hey, what are you doing up here? This area isn't for kids. Didn't you see the sign?
Yeah, but I wanted to prove I'm not a baby.
No, of course not. You're a big girl. But part of being big is being smart enough to stay safe.
Aw, but I wanted to have fun.
Well, did you try the slide?
That's for kids. I want to do the stuff that big kitties do.
That's funny, because I wish I was still little enough to go on that slide. It used to be my favorite.
Really?
Yeah, but I can't go on it anymore because I'm too big. It's just for you kids.
And probably a lot more fun for kids than being stuck right here.
That's for sure.
I made a big mistake. I thought that playing on stuff for kids means you're a baby. But really, it just means you're playing smart. I get it. Thanks, Dad.
How did you know?
I want to try the day over the smart way.
Now that sounds like a big girl.
Now we know, so back we go.
Kit and Kate set back out for Swiss Cheese Mountain. But this time, Kate decided she was going to have some big-time fun made especially for kids.
Hands come first.
Feet come too. Up, 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 yodelay-hoo. It sure looks like fun. I can't wait until I'm big enough to try. But for now, the last one down the slide is a rotten egg.
Hey, wait for me!
Woo!
And Kit and Kate had big-time fun made just for kids.
we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go! Go, kitties, let's go!
The Catelephant.
What do you want to play today, Kit?
I don't know. Let's look in the box.
Look, Kit, a ball.
That's not a ball, Kate. That's a dragoon egg.
No way. What's a dragoon?
They're like dragons, but they float like balloons.
Wow. Then let's go find a dragoon and ride it.
See you soon, big dragoon.
Go, kitties, let's go!
Kit and Kate set out to find a dragoon. They looked everywhere for one.
Dragoon! Where are you? Hey, Kate, did you find him?
No, but I found 3 popcals. 1, 2, 3.
Quit goofing off, Kate. We need to find that dragoon. Oh, where are you?
Then Kit saw someone who might be able to help them.
Excuse me, do you know where we can find a dragoon?
Sure I do.
Great! Oh, what are you?
I'm a Catelephant. I know all about dragoons. Do you want me to help you find one?
His nose is so strange.
Yeah, but he seems friendly to me.
Well, he makes me nervous. I think we should go. Thanks, Catelephant, but I think we're gonna keep looking for that dragoon ourselves.
It's my nose, isn't it? I thought it'd be fun to play together. It's so much more fun with friends.
Oh.
Now, where is that dragoon? Kate, come here. Look, a dragoon. See, we didn't need that Catelephant.
Wow, a real live dragoon.
What was that?
It sounds like the Catelephant.
He sounds really sad.
We should go find him.
Kit and Kate followed the crying to a cave.
He's in there.
I was only trying to be nice.
Hey, Catelephant, please come out.
Go away!
We're sorry.
Leave me alone!
Oh, I ruined everything. No Catelephant, no dragoon, no fun.
I feel terrible.
Then along came a mysterious stranger.
What's wrong, kitties?
We were searching for a dragoon, and then we met a Catelephant who knew all about them.
But I was scared of his long nose, so I didn't want him to play with us.
That made him really cry.
Was he friendly?
Yeah, he seemed very friendly.
Then what difference did it make what his nose looked like?
None, I guess. Now I understand. It doesn't matter what someone looks like. What matters is if they're friendly or not.
Yeah! Thanks, Mom.
Oh, how did you know?
Let's try again, Kate. I'll be a lot nicer this time.
Me too.
Now we know, so back we go!
Kit and Kate started their search for a dragoon again. But this time when they met the Catelephant,
I know all about dragoons. Do you want me to help you find one?
Sure! It's much more fun with friends.
Look! That dragoon is so big!
There's enough room on there for you, me, and our new friend to all ride together.
Let me show you how I ride him.
Wow, that's cool!
Hop on!
Yeah!
Thanks for playing with me.
Sure, everything's much more fun with friends.
Kit and Kate had a new friend and a great day riding the dragoon together.